Dona Flor and Her Two Husbands by Jorge Amado is a captivating and richly textured novel that blends elements of magical realism, humor, and social commentary. Published in 1966, the story is set in Salvador, Bahia, and revolves around the life of Dona Flor, a beautiful and talented cooking instructor who finds herself caught between the memories of her late, roguish husband, Vadinho, and the steady, reliable affection of her new husband, Dr. Teodoro Madureira. Amado's masterful storytelling, vibrant characterizations, and deep understanding of Brazilian culture make this novel a timeless classic in Latin American literature. The narrative opens with the death of Vadinho, a charming but irresponsible gambler who leaves Flor a widow. Despite his many flaws, Vadinho's passionate and adventurous spirit leaves a lasting impression on Flor. In contrast, her second husband, Dr. Teodoro, is the epitome of respectability and stability, offering Flor the security and peace Vadinho never could. However, the return of Vadinho's ghost, demanding to continue his earthly pleasures, introduces a supernatural element that complicates Flor's life and forces her to reconcile the conflicting desires for excitement and stability. Amado's exploration of the duality of human nature and the complexities of love is both humorous and profound. Through Flor's relationships with Vadinho and Teodoro, he examines the tension between passion and propriety, indulgence and discipline. Flor's struggle to balance these aspects of her personality is a reflection of broader social and cultural dynamics in Brazilian society, where traditional values often clash with more liberated, modern attitudes. The novel's setting in Salvador, Bahia, is vividly brought to life through Amado's rich descriptions and deep cultural insights. The city's vibrant atmosphere, with its colorful festivals, bustling markets, and diverse inhabitants, serves as a backdrop for the unfolding drama. Amado's use of local dialects, folklore, and culinary traditions adds authenticity and depth to the narrative, immersing readers in the cultural milieu of Bahia. The inclusion of recipes throughout the book is a delightful touch, highlighting Flor's culinary skills and the importance of food in Brazilian culture. Amado's writing is characterized by its warmth, humor, and empathy. He creates memorable characters who are flawed yet endearing, each contributing to the novel's rich tapestry of life. Flor is a particularly compelling protagonist, embodying both strength and vulnerability as she navigates her unconventional situation. Vadinho and Teodoro, though vastly different, are portrayed with nuance and humanity, making Flor's predicament all the more relatable. Dona Flor and Her Two Husbands also offers insightful commentary on gender roles and the expectations placed on women in Brazilian society. Flor's journey towards self-acceptance and empowerment resonates with readers, making her a timeless and relatable figure. The novel's blend of realism and fantasy, humor and pathos, creates a unique and engaging reading experience that stays with the reader long after the final page. In conclusion, Dona Flor and Her Two Husbands is a masterful work by Jorge Amado that seamlessly weaves together themes of love, desire, and cultural identity. Its richly drawn characters, evocative setting, and blend of humor and magic make it a standout in Latin American literature. Amado's ability to capture the essence of Brazilian life and the complexities of the human heart ensures that this novel remains a beloved classic, offering both entertainment and insight to readers around the world. Here are 5 highlights everyone needs to know about Jorge Amado's Dona Flor and Her Two Husbands. Love triangle with a supernatural twist, the novel centers around Dona Flor's unique predicament of being caught between the memories of her late, roguish husband, Vadinho, who returns as a ghost, and her new, dependable husband, Dr. Teodoro Madureira. This supernatural love triangle explores themes of passion versus stability and the complexities of love and desire. Vivid setting in Salvador, Bahia. Amado's detailed portrayal of Salvador, Bahia, provides a rich cultural and historical backdrop. The city's vibrant atmosphere, with its colorful festivals, bustling markets, and diverse inhabitants, is brought to life through vivid descriptions and cultural insights, immersing readers in the Brazilian milieu. Exploration of Brazilian society and culture. The novel offers a deep dive into Brazilian culture, including local dialects, folklore, and culinary traditions. The inclusion of recipes highlights Flor's culinary skills and emphasizes the cultural significance of food in Brazilian life. Character depth and development. The characters are well developed and multi-dimensional. Dona Flor is a particularly compelling protagonist, embodying both strength and vulnerability. Vadinho and Teodoro, though vastly different, are portrayed with nuance and humanity, adding depth to Flor's internal conflict and the story as a whole. Themes of gender roles and empowerment. The book addresses societal expectations and gender roles, particularly the pressures on women in Brazilian society. Flor's journey towards self-acceptance and empowerment is a central theme, making her a relatable and enduring figure who resonates with readers. This was our summary of Dona Flor and Her Two Husbands by Jorge Amado. We hope it helped you.